So let's say I had to make a modification to road not taken. So I went into VS Code, went in, modified my code because there was a problem, saved my change, and now I need to get this new version onto the internet. So I'm going to go over to FileZilla, and I don't want to drag the whole folder again. Okay, that would be a problem. So what I want to do, and I'm going to get back up here to the first level, is I'm going to connect. And then I have to open up CIT 180, so I'm going to double click. So double clicking opens the folder, and then if you want to go up a level, those two periods, you just have to double click on that. Okay. You could also kind of navigate up here by clicking on folders too. So in order to replace road not taken, I've opened up lesson 2, and I can see it up here on the internet. And what I need to do over on my computer is I need to be able to see it over here. So I'm going to open up CIT 180, and I'm going to open up lesson 2. So here's road not taken. So what I'm going to do is just left drag that one file to the internet. So I'm going to left drag it over here, and I'm going to release. And now it says, hey, that file is already online. It's already on the internet. What do you want me to do? Well, the default is to overwrite. Okay? And that is exactly what I want it to do. And normally what I do is I put a little check here so that I don't have to see this box again while this FileZilla session is open. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And it made the transfer. Now, if I look and I need to change another one, let's say I had to change top navigation, I should be able to just drag that over, and I'm not going to see the little box again because I said do this for everything within this FileZilla session. So I've put the new versions out here. And in order to see them, all I have to do is refresh the page. Now, I will warn you, there is a little bit of a problem refreshing pages over here in Chrome. What Chrome likes to do when you refresh is they like to pull pages from the cache rather than grabbing the new version. So pulling from the cache displays pages quicker, and most of the time that is probably what we want. But when you are a web developer, you do not want it pulling from the cache. You want it to grab your new page because if it pulls from the cache, you're not going to see your changes. And I guarantee this is going to happen to a large number of you. So what you're going to want to do is empty out the cache so that you can see your changes. So in order to empty out the cache, a little shortcut in Chrome is pressing Control, Shift, and Delete. Okay, so clear browsing data. Cached images and files, this is what you want selected. Don't clear out your cookies and all of that, okay, because if you come to a form, you're going to have to fill in everything again. Okay, just get rid of the images and files. And then once it clears that out, you can reload your page and you are going to see your changes. And again, I press Control, Shift, and Delete to get to this point. Okay, then you can come over here, reload your page. You're going to be able to see everything.